Hanging with my shorty.
Good morning, Bobcats! I'm Jacob Dixon.
I'm Annie Dixon, and here is your daily bulletin for Wednesday, October 18th, 2023.
The virtue of the week is excellence. The virtue of excellence involves not only performing outstanding work or achieving notable success at our endeavors. Excellence includes ethical virtues involving persistence, integrity, diligence, and service. We are practicing excellence when we work hard to ensure success, and when we mindfully make ethical choices for ourselves and others. Former General and Secretary of State Colin Powell teaches us that if you are going to achieve excellence in big things, you develop the habit in little matters. Excellence is not an exception, it is a prevailing attitude.
The Argo, the PHS yearbook, is looking for your summer photos. Do you have a good one of your summer activities? Maybe one with some friends included? Send it to phsyearbook@pusdk12.org. The Butte College Chico campus is holding a FAFSA, Federal Financial Aid Application Workshop, on their campus tomorrow night from 5 to 7 p.m. in room CHC 238. Please go to the counseling office if you have any questions. Scholarship information is starting to arrive. Seniors should check out Mrs. Johnson's Scholarship Google Classroom for information on the requirements and the deadlines to apply. The more effort you put into applying, the more financial aid you'll receive for college.
As I'm sure you've heard, the bathrooms in your library have recently been shut down due to students vaping. While vaping seems cool, this is horrible for your future, especially if you're in sports. Vapes introduce chemicals nearby that can cause asthma, lung scarring, organ damage, lung cancer, and addiction, which of course can lead to even more problems. Don't be like people that use vapes. You may think vaping is cool or makes it popular. It doesn't. Big tobacco companies market their products specifically to adolescents like you. They don't care about you. All they care about is your money. Don't let them ruin your house for a profit.
In sports, boys soccer is starting. If you want to play, report to the middle field after school. Starting tomorrow, Thursday workouts will be typically about an hour and a half. Anyone planning on playing will need to fill out their athletic clearance form online and schedule an appointment to get a physical if they haven't done so for a fall sport. Please bring water, running shoes, shin guards, and cleats. Girls tennis is hosting the league tournament this Friday and Saturday starting at 9 a.m. Stop by and cheer on the Bobcat tennis team. Football is away this week at Gridley. They return home next week against Oroville for homecoming.
And here is Bella with an introduction of one of our new teachers.
As you may know, this year we have a lot of new staff members and teachers. Mr. Braun is one of our new teachers here at PHS. He teaches Math 1 in room 115. He attended Pleasant Valley High School as a student. He went to Chico State to get his degree as a math teacher. While he was going to college, he worked 2 jobs throughout the years. Those were a barista and an employee at a movie theater. Fun fact, did you know that Mr. Braun's favorite subject in school was not math? His favorite subject was biology, even though math was just his major. One thing that people might have not known is that Mr. Braun's mom taught here. His main goal for this school year is to fill in his mom's footsteps at becoming an amazing teacher.
Hey y'all, my name is Mr. Braun. It's my first year at Paradise High. I've been really liking it so far. The new campus has been great. There's a lot of great students here. I've really been appreciative to get to know everyone. It's something that I've thought about maybe doing for a while, teaching at Paradise High, so to finally be able to be here, be a teacher, and just be ready to help everyone learn math, it's what I'm here for, and I'm loving it. So rise up, Bobcats.
So let's give Mr. Braun a big Bobcat welcome.
Here's your patriotic message. On October 18th, in 1867, the U.S. formally took possession of the Alaskan Territory after purchasing it from Russia for $7.2 million. Nearly 92 years later, in 1959, American Alaska became the 49th state. Photographer Sam Abell said, "For sheer majestic geography and sublime scale, nothing beats Alaska." Here's the answer to last week's trivia question. The super genius pictured was, of course, Mr. Schofield, who taught music and medical classes here from 1993 to 2020, and his wife is Kari Schofield, our remarkable registrar. We had several students submit the correct answer, so we drew the winner out of a hat.
The winner for this week's trivia is Alora O'Brien.
And now here's this week's question. What is the name of the PHS baseball field, and why does it have that name? Email your answer to phsbroadcast@pusdk12.org and you could win a $5 gift card.
Happy late birthday to Bryce Grandy,
Ryan McFarland,
Alan Sanders,
and Tatiana Wilkes. Today was the birthday of rock and roll legend Chuck Berry, back in 1926.
happy birthday tomorrow to Tim Dion.
Here is your joke of the day.
Hey Annie,
Hey, what?
what happens when you smack Dwayne Johnson's butt?
What happens?
You hit rock bottom! Have a great day, Bobcats, and rise up!